A little bit of IP. 1/3 of Americans would use genetics tech to make their offspring smarter, study finds. How rude. They take a look at their offspring. They're like, can I get some sort of product so that they're...
Do better.
Yeah. Obviously, this is preemptive.
Yeah.
It's a bit rude. As technology advances and starts to push the idea of designer babies from the realm of science fiction into reality. Well, I kept getting these emails.
Huh?
I kept getting these emails, which was like, don't you want your offspring to look like these guys? And it would be like some sort of boutique genetic. I don't even know what it was actually, but I got it for a while.
Yeah.
And so there is the like low tech version of it out there, which is you pick you get like a profile of the guy that's...
Yeah. It's like choose or create your character in a video game.
Choose your own adventure.
Yeah. With the available stats here.
Kind of weird, man.
Oh.
Yeah. Not very romantic, Will.
Designer babies.
Anyway, this, I guess, takes it a step further. They're saying the ethics are a bit murky here. Besides the extreme scenarios where embryos could be tweaked using engineering tools like CRISPR, there are similar technologies already being used, and their ethical implications are no less complex, particularly given their accessibility. A recent study found that a substantial portion of Americans would be interested in using genetics to make their babies smarter. The study was supported by the National Institutes of Health and published yesterday in Science magazine. The team asked survey respondents who may conceive using in vitro fertilization. So they're already doing that. And then they're like, hey, would you consider a little bit of CRISPR? You want a little boost? Huh?
Yeah, and
we can arrange
everything.
We can arrange a little boost. And then the families are like, let us talk about it. And then they go to Starbucks. They're like,
pumpkin latte?
Yeah, pumpkin latte. What do you think, honey? We do want little Johnny to do his best, don't we?
Yeah.
It's a very uncertain time. I believe he'll need all the advantages he can have.
Make him 7 feet tall. Hurry up. So loud. It's louder than the coffee shop music there.
I just am picturing this couple, with like some sort of like sweater vest or corduroy pants, and they're just sipping away and justifying anything, Will. Anything. They're like, they're being explained the implications, and they're like, the world might actually, if we continue down this path, the world may come to an end in roughly 350 years. And they're like, Johnny might live a good life.
Well, I don't know.
Watch it all burn down. What do you mean you don't know, Will? What do you mean you don't know? Haven't you seen Gattaca?
Yeah.
Ethan
Hawke.
Yeah, haven't you seen Ethan Hawke? Ethan Hawke was not the genetic one. The other guy was. He's swimming better. No spoiler.
Yeah, he's superior.
No spoilers on that. Just go watch Gattaca.
Well, I would just say maybe it would be great in terms of modifying.
Here he goes.
Allergies or
Oh, you're gonna bring your peanut into this? Is that what you're doing?
Future diseases.
Yeah, but
just prevention of that. But you right?
wouldn't
asthma.
But you wouldn't be you without your peanut. You wouldn't. Like that's
peanut.
Because that's the Gattaca thing.
Nut allergy.
The Gattaca thing is that like the guy still has some redeeming characteristic, and maybe he's got even more. I don't know. Am I being romantic right now? I'm just saying, like, it's a very complex mixture, and we as humans, oh my God, us as humans, let me tweak. We just keep going and going and pushing the extremity, and then we look at the aftermath, and we're like, did we do that? Mm-hmm. Did we do that? Mm-hmm. Whether it's this or AI or whatever it is, it's the same thing. It's like, yo, slow down, chill a little bit, and just recognize that you probably aren't the epicenter. Like, you probably don't know everything. Like, there's something bigger, probably, possibly. There's something else going on.
And it's probably going to be really expensive.
There's stuff going on.
Yeah,
Well, you're floating around. You take everything for granted. All your problems are really right in front of you. Your problems are the biggest problems. Type mentality. Just saying, be careful out there.
You be careful.
Little Johnny.